one beautiful bell pepper. We're going to cut this into strips. One bulb of garlic. We're going to take off the stems here. And we're going to mince. Set it aside. We're going to get 2 jalapeno peppers. And we're going to do slices. Three stalks of scallions. Take off the white part. Now I'm going to go to the supermarket, pick up some very firm tofu. We're going to create a slice in the packet. Open this up. Take the tofu. We're going to drain all the water out of it completely. Push down on the package so you can continue to squeeze the water out of the tofu itself and not just the package. Now we're going to take the tofu and we are going to slice it in half. Right here like this. Then from here we're going to slice it in half. Then we're going to slice it into quarters. And then we're going to do the same thing right here. We're going to slice it into thirds. What we're trying to do is achieve 1-inch cubes right here. We're going to take all of these tofus and we are going to lay them flat. Grab some paper towels. We are going to towel dry them. We're going to take these, we're going to put it into a mixing bowl over here on the side. And we're going to do the exact same thing for one more packet. So we're going to have 2 packets of tofu that we're going to do this to. Take 1 egg and we are going to beat this 1 egg. After you beat that 1 egg, we are going to pour it all over the tofu. We're going to grab ourselves some cornstarch and we are going to pretty much cover all the tofu with cornstarch. Stick your hands in there and lightly stir this up so you get an even coating. You do not want to break up the tofu, and that's why we got extra firm tofu. Now you're going to grab canola oil and you're going to dump in enough canola oil to pretty much fry the entire batch of tofu. So all of them are submerged in the oil and nothing is sticking up. We're going to turn up the fire and wait for the oil to go up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Checking the temperature for 375. Have a tray with the paper towel ready and a ladle that can drain oil. Okay, we're going to start putting each individual tofu in here. You're going to want to try to separate all your tofu in here. Going to move it around a little bit, but try to not take it out of the oil. We want it to continue to cook. We're looking for a light golden brown color. After about 6 to 8 minutes, this is the golden brown we are looking for. Go ahead and turn off the fire and put all your tofu over here. We're going to get rid of the oil here and leave a little bit left. We're going to turn back our fire. We're going to bring our main ingredients here, the jalapenos and the bell peppers and the green onions. Let this heat up a little bit. Just go ahead and put everything in here. Put our tofu in here. We're going to take our salted pepper seasoning and we're going to sprinkle about 2 teaspoons